Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching CID News Network, Islamabad. This is Salwa Shams with today's headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan will deliver the policy address via video link at the 76th session of the United Nations General Assembly tonight, outlining Pakistan's perspectives on key regional and global issues. Prime Minister Imran Khan will raise his voice against Indian atrocities in Kashmir and speak about the humanitarian crisis in Afghanistan. Pakistan and Iraq have expressed the desire to strengthen bilateral cooperation in various fields including trade, investment, infrastructure development, and religious tourism. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi said that the world should not repeat the mistake of disengaging with Afghanistan. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi called on the Organization of Islamic Cooperation to enhance its effort to facilitate a lasting solution to the Jammu and Kashmir dispute. Pakistan has been elected as a member of the Board of Governors of the International Atomic Energy Agency for the next 2 years. The Punjab government on Friday suspended the medical superintendent and a senior doctor of Lahore's Kot Khwaja Said Hospital over fake vaccination entry of former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. At least 92 cases of dengue reported in Punjab during the last 24 hours, taking the tally to 828 this year. Pakistan reported 2,223 new coronavirus infections, while 50 people lost their lives in the last 24 hours. That's all from today's headlines. Keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Thank you.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.